Settle in, everyone.
Surprised this is trash. Oh, this is cool. Wow. All right, listen. Damn.
This deserves a second ride.
Mm-hmm.
Can I switch with one of y'all?
Yeah, sure.
It looks like O's Infinity. You push it together.
What is this place called?
Museum of Contemporary Art.
I wonder if the main museum has more cool ones too. If it's free, worth checking out.
All right. That'll be it.